Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to try and cut my own hair. I have gotten to that stage of isolation now where I feel like I can do anything. And yes, you should believe in yourself and do anything that you can do. But at the same time, you should leave certain things to the professionals, and that is definitely when it comes to cutting your own hair. But it's going to be a while till I see a hairdresser, and my hair has gotten so long, but don't get me wrong, I love the length. I used to have shoulder length hair, and I was looking at photos the other day, and I really like that too. But at the moment, I'm really loving the length, so I'm going to keep it, but I do feel like these dead ends can definitely go. They're looking very dry. And to just really mix it up, instead of having a side pass fringe like I normally do, I want to try and cut my own bands. I know, this could go horribly wrong, but at the same time, I'm thinking, it's going to be a while till I see anybody, so even if it goes bad, like if I cut it too short or something, it should grow out in time, and if not, I'll put it up. So there's always a way around it, so I just thought, why not just try and have some fun with it. I'm literally doing this with like the most basic material I have found lying around the house. So I got 2 different combs, I got a pair of scissors, and I got a clip. So yeah, let's see what happens. And of course, definitely a towel because, yeah, it's going to get messy. So I'm first going to start off with cutting the length, and then I will do the fringe afterwards. First thing you need to do is comb all your hair forward. So now that I've brushed my hair all forward, I need to tie it together with an elastic band. Then I'm going to take another hairband and just tie it onto that same piece. Push it down to how much I want to cut off. So I'm going to cut about that much off my hair. And then take the scissors and hope for the best. Now that I've cut it to the length that I like, I'm just going to go in and trim it so that all of it's the same. Now that I've got the length cut, I'm going to take another 2 hair ties and just divide this into 3 equal sections. I'm doing this so that I can really fan out my hair, and then it won't look like a straight blunt cut. I'm going to cut into the hair like this so that it's going to be like feathered out. I feel like this part you should really take your time with and just cut as much as possible. Once you're done with this section, move on to the other 2. Okay, when you're done cutting upwards into each piece, it's time to take it out and hope for the best. I'm actually really happy with the way it came out. Like, it's definitely got some layers in there. And the length is pretty much the same, but the main thing is that the ends look healthier. A lot healthier. And I'm glad it's not too short because I really wanted to keep this length, so I'm happy about that, definitely. Next is the tricky part, to cut my own bands. I haven't done this before, so I don't know if I should or I shouldn't, but I'm really getting tired of just having the side fringe. I really want to try something different, and I'm just going to do it. Why not? So I checked online how some people have done it, and what I've noticed is like really common is that they always do like a triangle like that. So I got a mirror that I'm taking in here in case you're wondering where I'm looking. I'm just going to do a middle pass just so that I know both sides of the triangle is the same size. So try and get it equal on both sides. I think to make my life easier, I'm just gonna clip my hair back. Hairdressers always make this look so easy. Like they just part it and then they cut and they put it down and it looks awesome. It's like, oh my gosh, all my hair is falling forward. Okay, now that I've got my triangle, I'm just gonna comb it out. I think like this thickness is right. Although the right hand side seems thinner than the left. Like if I feel the hair this side, that definitely feels a bit thicker than this. Maybe I'll just take like a little bit. Okay, I think I have it. So I'm just going to do it slowly. My best option would be to just comb it out and just slowly cut and hope I'm not cutting it too short to begin with. You know, I almost think at the hairdresser, they don't hold the comb there, they hold their hand there. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, okay, we're getting there. I can't see you guys, but we're getting there. Oh gosh, okay. I think that's right. Oh no, oh my gosh, okay. It is so awkward cutting your own bangs because I can't see anything. Like, I don't know if this is right. I don't know if I'm... That is so not right. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, you know, it's getting there. It's getting there. And once I use a hair straightener, it'll look so much better also. I need to just give it some time and not cut too much into it. And I don't know if I should cut more or if I should first straighten it, because you straighten it, it's probably going to jump up a bit as well. So no, I think it's still long. I also want to try just thin it out a little bit more. Oh my gosh, what have I done? What have I done? Okay, I can salvage this. I can salvage this. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. It's not too bad. I just don't want to cut it too short, and then I straighten it and it goes even shorter. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to grab my straightener and see like if it lifts a lot, because if it lifts a lot, then I mean, I don't want like my fringe up here, you know. So I'm going to go do that first. So I went inside to get my hair straightener and it went a little haywire. I'm not liking these gaps in between, especially this one over here. But I have a feeling the hair straightener will just fix that right up. But I do think I still need to cut it a little bit, like a little bit shorter, like maybe till there. Yeah, because it's like really in my eye. Yeah, that looks better. But I first want to straighten it, so let's see what happens. But I actually really like it. I'm so happy I did this. Not happy with that gap, but the straightener will fix that. But I think it looks really cute. Oh my gosh. That looks much better. Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. That looks so much nicer. But yeah, it's definitely got to go shorter because I am not going to be able to see anything I'm doing. I feel like this is going to be one of the situations where you, just a little bit, you know, you just cut a little bit and like it was good to begin with, so I should have just left it. I hope not, because I'm actually really liking having a fringe right now. Imagine how different someone looks with a fringe. Okay, I'm just gonna play around with this for a little bit, straighten it up, trim it, and show you the end result when I'm done. This is gonna take a while. All done, and I'm actually so happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks so nice. It's gonna take a while to get used to because I haven't had a fringe in a long time, and I was packing with it for a long time now, which made me realize how high maintenance having a fringe used to be. It actually came out a lot better than I expected it to. I mean, I got my hair cut, the ends look a lot better. The length I've kept, but I wanted to do that anyway. But the fringe is cute. I love it. I love it. I needed a change and I'm happy with it. So that just goes to show, if you want to do it, just do it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like down below, and I'll see you again real soon with a new video. Bye.